Plant cell organelles and their functions quiz. Hello and welcome to Tutoring Hour. In this video, we challenge all plant lovers to identify the vital organelles that play crucial roles in a plant cell with an interactive quiz. Let's dive in. Can you identify the highlighted part in the cell? Is it A, cell wall, B, cell membrane, or C, nucleus? The correct answer is the cell membrane or plasma membrane. It regulates the transport of materials entering and exiting the cell. It is present in plant and animal cells. Can you identify the highlighted part in the cell? Is it A, nuclear membrane, B, plasma membrane, or C, cell wall? The correct answer is the cell wall. It is the ridged outer layer of a plant cell. Animal cells lack a cell wall. Can you identify the highlighted part in the cell? Is it A, Golgi apparatus, B, Mitochondrion, or C, centriole? The correct answer is the mitochondrion, the powerhouse of the cell. It produces the energy a cell needs to carry out its functions. It is the site of cellular respiration. Can you identify the highlighted part in the cell? Is it A, cytoplasm, B, nucleus, or C, vacuole? The correct answer is the cytoplasm, the gelatinous liquid that fills the inside of a cell and contains the organelles. Can you identify the highlighted part in the cell? Is it A, vacuole, B, mitochondrion, or C, cytoplasm? The correct answer is the vacuole. It stores food, water, waste, and other materials. Plant cell vacuoles are larger than animal cell vacuoles. Can you identify the highlighted part in the cell? Is it A, endoplasmic reticulum, B, centriole, or C, Golgi apparatus? The correct answer is the Golgi apparatus. It is composed of folded membranes. It receives proteins and materials from the ER, stores or packages them into vesicles, and distributes them to targeted destinations. Can you identify the highlighted part in the cell? Is it A, chloroplast, B, lysosomes, or C, cytoplasm? The correct answer is the chloroplast. It is a type of plastid. It captures energy from the sunlight and uses it to produce food in plant cells, making it the site of photosynthesis. Can you identify the highlighted part in the cell? Is it A, lysosomes, B, endoplasmic reticulum, or C, ribosomes? The correct answer is the endoplasmic reticulum. These passageways are involved in the synthesis, folding, modification, and transport of proteins. Can you identify the highlighted part in the cell? Is it A, ribosomes, B, vacuoles, or C, centrioles? The correct answer is ribosomes. They are the protein factories floating freely in the cytoplasm or attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. They play a crucial role in protein synthesis by assembling amino acids into proteins. Can you identify the highlighted part in the cell? Is it A, plastids, B, peroxisomes, or C, nucleus? The correct answer is the nucleus. It is the command center of the cell. The nucleus controls and regulates the activities of the cell and stores the cell's DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Can you identify the highlighted part in the cell? Is it A, Golgi apparatus, B, chloroplast, or C, Nucleolus? The correct answer is the Nucleolus. It is found inside the nucleus and houses the RNA, ribonucleic acid. RNA helps convey the DNA's orders to the rest of the cell and serves as a template for protein synthesis. Can you identify the highlighted part in the cell? Is it A, lysosomes, B, peroxisomes, or C, ribosomes? The correct answer is the peroxisomes. They contain enzymes to oxidize certain molecules in the cell and play a vital role in lipid production. They are also involved in converting reactive oxygen. That's all for now. Visit www.tutoringhour.com if you need worksheets to put your knowledge to the test. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and stay tuned for more captivating quizzes and educational content on our channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.